Hi guys, this is Kat and Smokey the Bird. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a completion and review of this diamond painting. So this is one of my old ones that I bought on Amazon years ago. It was a package of 6 that was $17.99. And it's just a bunch of flowers on a chair in a tin can. It's an old-fashioned chair, and we have these chairs in brown. We only have one left. It's in the shed, or I would show it to you. But I always love these chairs, so I wish we still had them. When I saw this, I really wanted to do it. Now, it looks really pretty in the camera as I'm recording, and I'm sorry if my hands are shaky. And here's Smokey, just preening her feathers. But it is not as pretty in real life as it is in the camera. It's got a lot of confetti that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense, especially up in the chair. You can see in here and in the background, there's like colors that drift. I always call it a drift when it's like the colors from the main thing kind of drift up in here. So this is an older one, and the ones I bought on Amazon last year are a lot better than these older ones from Amazon. So I think they are getting better, and I think the technology is getting better. And I would actually buy this one again if I could find one where like the colors from the flowers didn't drift up into the chair. And it was more crisp. But it's still pretty. And it would still look really pretty on the wall in a frame because you're not walking right up close to it like when you're working. Like when I'm working at it, this is what I was looking at. So anyway, it had an okay stick. There were a few places where the stick did not work well at all. And the other thing I wanted to say is I used this this new diamond painting thing from Diamond Dot. It's like a blue, let me show you. It's like a blue tack. And I honestly couldn't see any difference between this and the Dollarama blue tack that you could buy, that you can put posters up on your wall without using nails. Smokey just burped. So anyway, this to me is not worth the money. And I ended up using wax. I just used the wax that this kit came with just to finish it up. And that worked way better. So, yeah. But anyway, I'm happy with it. It took me a very long time because I was busy doing other things. It is already September. As I'm recording this, it is the 7th of September. And I have been out here for 4.5 weeks. The bird and I have been at camp. And as you can see, the sun is shining. And it's finally getting warm. But we just went through a cold spell. And I don't know if you can see that little tiny heater in the corner, that little black heater next to my giant air purifier. That heater is amazing. I bought it at Canadian Tire years ago, and even though it dropped down to 7 degrees the other night, and it was really cold. And that little heater, I only have it on half, like it's not on full blast, and just on half, it heated up the camp to between 20 to 22 degrees all night long. So it's great. And in the summer, in the sun, if the sun is out, I just have to open the curtains and then play with the curtains so the bird doesn't get the direct sun because it's quite hot when it's coming through. But right now the sun is up on top of the camp, so it's not shining directly in, so it's perfect. But if it's sunny, the sun heats up this camp, even if it's just like 10 or 12 degrees outside. Right now it's 12 degrees outside, but it's toasty warm in the camp, and I don't even have that little heater on right now. So it's like 22 degrees in the camp just because it heated up from the sun, which is really good. Anyway, I'm probably going to start another diamond painting. I would like to do at least one more. I'm probably going to leave on Saturday or Sunday. So today is Sunday as I'm recording. So if I can last out one more week, we're going to stay one more week. And that will give us 5 weeks out here. I normally like to stay the full 6, but I did a week at my friend's camp. So that will still give me 6 weeks of being at a camp. And I'm really missing my indoor plumbing. The outhouse is pretty miserable when it's cold out, especially at night and especially when it's raining. But anyway, the bird is warm. I'm warm. We're having a good time. She did not want to come out of her cage today. I give her the option if she wants to come out, and she did not want to come out today. So she really likes those toys in there, and she's been playing with them and She's preening her feathers and she's having a nice time. Smokey loves coming out here, and I love it too. And yeah. And those of you who are thinking, oh, that cage is too small for that parrot. Yes, I agree. But that is just her summer travel cage. She has a cage that's 3 times that size at home. And she has another cage in the garage that's about 6 times that size. It's huge. And it won't really fit in the room where she is now. So, but yeah, she's good. She can come out of there if she wants. So she's not stuck in there. And she's having a lot of fun. And my brother was here, and my brother burps a lot. I think he has acid reflux, so she's been doing a lot of burping. That's one of her favorite sounds. She loves disgusting sounds. Anyway, that's got nothing to do with this. I might even cut it out. I don't know. If it's still here, I apologize if that was too gross. Smokey, do you want to say bye to everybody? You want to say bye? Okay, well. Anyway, this took me a long time. I would say this took me 3 weeks, just working on it a little bit of a time in the evening. So, yeah. All right. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell. All of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. I hope you guys are having a nice time. Bye, guys. Smokey, gonna say bye? No, she's too busy preening.